Welcome to DhruboSphere, where learning is always fun. Today, we're diving into the ocean to meet 20 amazing sea animals. Let's explore. Anglerfish live deep in the dark ocean and have a glowing fishing rod on their heads. They use it to lure smaller fish right into their mouths. Blue tang. Blue tangs are bright blue fish with a yellow tail. They swim in schools and nibble on algae to keep coral reefs clean. Lionfish. Lionfish have beautiful stripes and long, spiky fins. They are slow swimmers, but can sting predators with their venomous spines. Clam. Clams live buried in the sand and open their shells to filter tiny food particles from the water. Some can live for decades, quietly under the sea. Barnacle. Barnacles attach themselves to rocks or shells and stay in one place. They filter water to eat plankton and are tiny but strong. Nudibranch. Nudibranchs are colorful sea slugs that look like underwater rainbows. They eat small animals and sometimes store toxins for protection. Sea otter. Sea otters float on their backs and use rocks as tools to crack open shells. They have thick fur to keep them warm in chilly waters. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of disguise. They can change colors and patterns on their skin in seconds to hide from predators or talk to other cuttlefish. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have hard, rounded shells and long tails called telsons. They've lived in the oceans for hundreds of millions of years and help keep coastal ecosystems healthy. Mantis. Shrimp. Mantis shrimp punch so fast that they can break shells. They have amazing eyesight and see more colors than humans. Coral crab. These tiny crabs live among coral reefs, hiding in the branches and scavenging for food. Their claws are small but mighty for defense. Parrotfish. Parrotfish have beak-like mouths that scrape algae off coral. They play an important role in keeping reefs healthy and colorful. Sea slug. Sea slugs are soft, colorful creatures that glide slowly along the ocean floor. Some can even steal stinging cells from other animals for protection. Ribbon eel. Ribbon eels have long, ribbon-like bodies and bright colors. They hide in coral crevices and pop out to catch small fish. Cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimp set up tiny cleaning stations on reefs. Fish come to them to have parasites removed from their scales and mouths. Lion's mane jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish has long, flowing tentacles that can stretch as long as a school bus. Its colorful, hair-like strands drift gracefully in the water while it catches tiny prey. Pipefish. Pipefish are tiny, slender fish that look like floating sticks. The males carry the babies in a special pouch until they are ready to hatch. Fan worm. Fan worms live in tubes on the seafloor and spread their colorful, feathery fans to catch tiny food particles from the water. Sea hare. Sea hares are soft, squishy creatures that glide over rocks and algae. When scared, They release purple ink to confuse predators. Leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragons are covered in leaf-like appendages that help them blend with seaweed. They drift gracefully, almost invisible to predators. Wow! The ocean is full of amazing creatures, each with its own superpowers and special skills. Which sea animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DhruboSphere for more underwater adventures. Bye-bye, little explorers.